Hello guys, how are you? I'm about to leave the house because I'm going away for a few days. I'm actually going, I would say, home away from home to the place where my grandparents lived and where we have our family little house. It's like, I call it the house in the mountains, even though it is not actually in the mountains, but it's not even countryside. I would not consider it to be in the countryside, as I have my own very specific view of the countryside, and it's not it. But it's the place where I actually spend the majority of my summers, and it has a very special place in my heart. It has been now like 1 year since the last time I've been there, and also this time, like a last minute decision. In fact, I grabbed a couple of clothes, put them in my suitcase, grabbed my laptop and the bits and bobs that I need, and I have to get in the car right now. It's like a 3 hours to 4 hours journey, so hopefully we will be there before night. I actually still don't even know what I will be doing there during my days, but I'm sure of one thing: that's having dinner in my favorite pizzeria ever. You guys, I've tried plenty of pizzerias in various places in Italy, but that one, it's truly the best pizza I've ever had, and the one that I always long for every time I know that I'm going there. And I remember me loving their pizza also when I was a actual child. It is so good. I don't know what it is. It's very crunchy. All the ingredients that they use are so good, and I feel like there is something so nice and different in the dough. I don't know what they have. I think that they have a sort of secret ingredient that, it's so good. So I'm looking forward to having that for sure, but we will see what I will be up to. Maybe just relaxing, reading some books, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But before heading out, I want to show you what I'm wearing today. I'm so happy that it is Babur season. I bought this one last year on Net-a-Porter. I don't know the name of the model, but I will try to find it and link it for you. I love everything about this one. I love the color, I love the fit, I love all the pretty details that it has. Love it. I then have my intrecciato bag in this very sandy color, beige sandy color, how you want to call it. I have denim on, of course, as always. This pair is from Silver Lake. Yes, they are from Silver Lake. And on my feet I have my Boston clogs in cognac. So comfy. And yes, I feel like having the Bostons on with white socks, it's the best ever. Also, didn't talk about this, it's just a plain long sleeve t-shirt from Skims, and that's the look because I will be staying in the car for majority of my yeah, you guys, I will see you when I am in the car. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Yesterday we basically sat in traffic for quite a while, so once we arrived home, I just basically went to bed and had an early night. But today's such an amazing sunny day, kind of windy, but so pretty. I got up at 7 this morning when the sun was rising, and it was so beautiful with all the trees and their amazing orangey and reddish leaves. So beautiful. I just had breakfast. My mother, who is so good at cooking and making everything, gave me, now it's almost empty because already finished it, but it's basically almond milk. She homemade herself, and it's basically just almonds, and it is so delicious. It has a taste and a smell that's not comparable to all the other milks that you can find in supermarket, of course. It is so delicious, and you basically have to have it as soon as you make it. Like, she made it yesterday, she gave it to me, and now I'm having it because delicious. And you guys, look how pretty this is. I'm so sad that it's already finished because I would have loved to have it also tomorrow. And with this morning I had pancakes, made pancakes with chestnut flour and a bit of berries jam. So delicious. I have to say, I love today's breakfast so much. I would love to have it every single day. Anyway, I'm going to finish up my milk now and then get ready for the day and see where the day brings us. Beautiful green piece of land that's owned by my family, and that's actually the place where my grandpa was born. And the little pink house that you just saw, that unfortunately it's not livable. Of course we cannot enter right now because it might collapse. It's the place where he was actually born. This house was built in 1930 and has seen so many things, and it's so pretty that we all wrote our name in the stones. You can not very much see it, but it's there, and there is the name of everyone in the family, which I feel like it's so very nice. And I mean, I've spent so much time here when I was a kid that I realized that I need to come here more often and enjoy this little place, because it's really a gem. It's so peaceful. There is no one around. It's so silent. It's full of little trees, of little plants, of birds, insects. It's really magical. And right there, there is a fig tree which becomes so full during fig time. I remember with my family, every one of us like trying to get the best figs, and they were so tasty, so good. So I mean, I feel like these are really the nice things in life that we do have to appreciate more. And also today the sun is shining so nicely. There is a bit of wind, there are birds chirping, so yeah, such a pretty day it is today, you guys. I am enjoying it so much. This place is really magical, and I'm so happy that my family's place, our place, yeah. Guys, hello. I just got ready because we're heading out for dinner. I'm going to my fave pizzeria ever tonight. I just realized this light it's extremely yellow, but we work with what we have. I'm so very excited. Really, I cannot wait. What I'm wearing tonight is basically just this pretty black off the shoulder top, a pair of gray denim. These ones are from Redone. Yeah, Redone. Very easy because the place it's also so extremely easy. Nothing major, nothing fancy. I think that maybe I am a tiny bit too fancy for the place also, but never mind. I just put a couple of accessories, all gold, I have to say. And I realized that I do not wear lots of necklaces, which I feel like are pretty, so I decided that I should try and add necklaces here and there in my daily looks. This one has a pretty F for my name, and then I have just add rings and my watch. Oh, I will be then taking this little bag here. That's from actually Zara, because I'm just bringing a few things. And on my feet, let me show you, because I'm unable to show you my feet right now. I have these little kitten heels from Yux, which are so comfy. I also love the color, and as we are now approaching Christmas, I feel like perfectly in the mood. But this is it. I would love to just go out dressed like this, but I need to put my barbour on, which is fine completely because I love my barbour. I also love this top, you know, guys. It's been quite a while since the last time I've put this on, but I feel like it's so pretty, so soft and cozy. But anyway, off I go because I'm also starving. my pizza and you guys, as always, 100% deli shoes. I also had dessert this time, and I went for a cake with almond nuts and figs. Delicious, delicious. And then I can now go home and read a bit my book. That's the plan of the night, nothing else, just this. It's also funny because every time that I come here, I plan my stay around this pizzeria. Like every time that I come here, I need to make sure that they are open and that I can go. I'm kind of obsessed, I have to say, I realize that. But my gosh, so many cars. Anyway, yeah, my night is done actually. I'm going to go and read a bit. Bye. Good morning, you guys. I just had breakfast. Amazing pastries. I have to say, even though my favorite ever, which is, as you know, pain au chocolat, has not been the best, not a lot of chocolate, or at least less chocolate than what I like it to be, but overall very, very nice. And now I'm in this little park that I've never seen before, just having a little stroll. Hello guys. So after breakfast I went around for a bit and stumbled upon, I did not stumble, I just saw that there was a store opened, an Italian store that's called Falconeri, that basically sells cashmere pieces, knitwear pieces mostly, and they had a sort of sale going on, and I ended up picking 3 pieces. And I'll start with the only accessory that I got, which is, oh my gosh, which is a sort of winter bucket hat. How pretty is this? It's like nylon outside and all sort of very teddy inside. I feel like it's so pretty. Also love the color. They added in like black, cream, and this color here. Very pretty. I love it. I'm sure that I will be using this one so much. And then I got 2 knitwear pieces because like the brand, it's very known for its cashmere. And so I ended up picking 2. The first one, it's just a V-neck. Yeah, a V-neck. Ooh, very basic V-neck in this pretty white. I love it. And just to keep the veggie theme going on, I settled for this crew neck. They are very, very extremely basic, like the ones that we do wear and wear all over again during winter. They are so pretty. I love the colors. And so yeah, this is sort of very impromptu buy that I did not plan, but I feel like their pieces are extremely nice and also very high in quality in my opinion. They're so pretty. So yeah, that's it. I had to buy something because I love to buy, I love to do shopping, and when there are like sales, it's a pity not to take this for our own advantage. And also I love the pieces. I cannot wait to wear them. Hope you guys like them. I feel like they're so extremely easy as pieces, but also evergreen, I'd say. Yes, they do are. So that's it. Morning, guys. I took my sweet time this morning and I will be heading back home in a very, very short bit. This few days has flown by so fast that it's time for me to go back home. Hopefully we will hit much less traffic than we did when we arrived here, because it has been quite bad, I have to say, but you never know with traffic, you never know. Anyway, I just brushed my hair and now I'm just going to apply a bit of cream, always this one. I love the lot of irritation that it gives me, so I like this one very much. And also I finished my SPF, so I'm still using the stick one that I used so much this summer and that actually I'm finishing as well. But I mean, that's okay, I just need to go and grab the one that I always use from Isden, because look at this, almost over as well. And now let me just fix a bit my brows. It's not that I want to put on makeup, but you know, a bit of brow fixing, it's always needed. A bit also of, oh my gosh, of the Gizu lip oil. How sweet was I, guys, when I was a baby? The two pictures that you just saw were, of course, of me. I was such a baby with my hair short and I always had the apples of my cheek very red. I may not have been the easiest of child, but I was very cute. And also, since I was a child, I always knew what I wanted to wear, what I wanted to eat, and also I was kind of obsessed with shoes. Yeah, I was a very pretty baby. Come on, I love to see pictures of myself and my family of the past times. They're so funny. Also to see like the fashion, how it was, or like the haircuts and the makeup. Very pretty. Guys, it's time for me to wrap up this video. We are getting ready to go back home, just getting the car ready, and then the getaway, it's done. It has been such a fun weekend, full of nature, slow moments, food, really what I was craving and needing. I know I might not have shown you so much or very interesting things, but I hope this video has kept you company. I really enjoyed bringing you with me as always. But you guys, I will be seeing you very soon with yet another video. So take care.